Another day of adventure here in Clark by Metro Pacific Lakbay, Pinas. Beautiful place. To go there cows. Hello cow. We are here having breakfast at Quest Hotel. Destination is Photon Pilipinas Factory here inside Clark. Center porch. A very nice old American design establishment. Ang talaga, ang sisig, umuusok. Hello mga kasinyo, it's our third day of our Metro Pacific Lakbay, Pinas tour, and today is another big day as we do some sports activities here in Clark. We're going to go visit Gimmick, doing some activities like ATV or target shooting or archery and many more. And in the afternoon, we'll be visiting several factories here in Clark, some of the locators like the Photon Factory. And tonight, another Gimmick night. So join me as we continue our Metro Pacific Lakbay, Pinas here in Clark. Let's go! Good morning, Clark. We are here having breakfast at Quest Hotel. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Pinatubo sa ano? Yung crater ng Pinatubo. Ayun sa taas. So, that's the Pinatubo crater. Good morning here in Clark, Pampanga. Another day of adventure here in Clark by Metro Pacific Lakbay, Pinas. Morning! So we just arrived at Gimmick Clark Unlimited Sport Club. So eto na tayo. Gimmicks. Ito pala yung mga activities nila. You can do ATV, go-kart, rappelling.
Gimmick Clark, who will tell us more about Gimmick Clark. So sir, okay. Hi everyone, welcome to Gimmick Clark. This is a place for, this is originally a fighting range, but we evolved to other activities like ATVs, archeries, and other outdoor activities. We cater a lot of people, from individuals to families, and to our corporate also. And what you see around now is the whole area of our properties.
First activity is archery. So it's bow 300 and arrow 200, 8 pieces. So let's try archery.
Bye ka dyan. Bye!
Walang ganun ba? Saan? Sa Cavite.
Straight lang yung left hands natin. Stable and comfortable. Dapat sakto yung breathing lang. Okay? And then, 3 fingers natin dito sa may kapag mga side. Maghahapakin mo na, itong joint na to, nasa may pinaka-6 lang natin. Either nandito sa may footboard or nasa 6 lang. Pag hinapak mo na siya, ganyan lang tayo sa 6 natin. Dikit mo yung left eye mo, open yung right. Aim lang tayo dito sa red. Tutok lang natin dito sa may mag-aim ng yellow. Okay. Pag magle-let go ko na, always, gaganon mo lang.
Kung magle-let go, alam na ha. Muna lahat, kung masakit na, i-let go muna talaga.
Pag nainis mo, itutok ko.
O pag di na kaya talaga, patayin mo na.
Pag sinagad mo na, at nasaktan ka na.
Kaya mo, sa una lang yun.
Sa una lang talaga masakit, pero ano yan. Pag nasanay ka, masarap na yan. Batak lang ng batak. Tapos i-release mo kagad. Dapat merong space para ano. This is the bow, and that one are the arrow. Ano kuya tawag dyan?
Ito po yung
Bow. Ano ang bow sa Tagalog?
Sabi, Sir Joseph, na bahala ka.
Okay, nilalagay na ang arrow, binatak at sinisipat at unti-unting i-release. Release! Nauna! Yun. Indian pana, kaya ka ba? Tatlong. Ano yung pag nakatingin? Yun. Okay, subukan natin.
Ano makasabi eh, ako makulong po konti. Na? Makasabi yung left eye. Open. Yung kailangan tayo mataas. Release.
Uy! Saan? Okay, pwede na yan. Salamat. Sa pagkata. Ito ka pala.
Kita na ako. Kaya pa rin.
Gusto na pala siya.
Kita mo.
Nakakangawin. Ang amo nakapit.
Left eye po. Mataas po. Then, release.
Okay. Salamat po. Bucket list item. Nagawa na natin, finally. Yes, here, dito sa gamit. Thank you, gamit. 50 will be doing ATV. It's 1550 for 45 minutes, and we're going to go to some areas that are very scenic. We will get to see Mount Arayat using ATV. Hopefully, mga ATV. ATV ako. Okay. First time ko, hindi ko alam paggamit dito.
Yeah, we will teach you naman.
Okay, sige. So, we're doing ATV. Ano?
ATV ride.
ATV ride. Saan tayo pupunta, kuya?
Dating US Air Force bunker, ammo bunker.
Okay, nice. So, ano makikita natin doon?
Yung mga dating pinag-iwanan na inimbakan ng ammo nila. And you will pass through a big sand dune with the view of the Mount Arayat.
Wow, excited na ako. So we'll be doing ATV with Jemmy Clark.
Ito po ay, okay, this is the accelerator.
Accelerator.
You just press na steady. Pag umanda na steady mo lang siya. Pag draw your speed na lang. Lagi po yung press, papato yung run. Lagi na lang dito. Back brake run.
Back brake.
So anytime you want to slow down to full stop, tanggalin mo lang si thumb mo, apply brake. Okay. Cut mo sa right.
Okay, so getting start. So ano din natin? Susi, and then
Start.
ano?
Apply brake. Apply brake.
Apply brake.
And press this one.
Okay. Okay.
Accelerator.
Accelerator.
Later on, when you just put the gear on here, then it will push through.
Okay. Diba? Saya naman. First time din natin ginawa ito. So another bucket list item that we're doing here. Thanks to Gemic Clark, and now we are finally able to try ATV. So I think I'm very excited sa pupuntahan natin lugar because this used to be part of the US military facilities. So excited na rin ako pupunta doon sa lugar kung saan nandoon ang view ng Mount Arayat. So let's go, join me as we do ATV here in Clark. Tayo dito. Nice. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, diba mga American, these are American bunkers. And we're entering. So excited to be here. And tapos tayo. Nice, that was nice. Great. Fun! Diba? At our age, we're turning 63 today and we're doing ATV. So travel while you can, enjoy life. Diba? To the fullest. Lahat pwede natin gawin as long as we have the time and energy and the will to do things out of the mga extraordinary things sa buhay natin. So, this is life! condition during hindi natin papadawin pala. This is quite interesting. Diba? May mga ganyan pa pala dito. Beautiful place. Really. To go ATV. There goes. Hello, cow. Abandoned vehicles, probably during the American period. So, looking around the mountain. Ang galing-galing. Super galing. And we're back to where we started and then after the park. So we are still here at Gemic, and I'm very happy to say that today I'm very happy that I was able finally do two new things today. One is I was able to try yung archery. So matagal ko na gustong gawin to dahil parang nakaka-relax siya at nakaka-release ng stress. So I was able to do it. And number two, I was able to finally do ATV. So ang ganda ng ATV dito because we were able to go inside some of the old facilities ng Clark Air Base nung araw. So we went through yung mga lahar area pa and then some of the old buildings. And ganun pala kasaya ang mag-ATV. So thank you Gemic for providing us with this very fun experiences. Salamat! I think we're having lunch here at Han. Nice. May ganito pala dito sa Clark.
Hospitality. So we'll have lunch at Mark, our European concept. It's basically from the European markets. So we have food stations later, but I already pre-ordered your food for a faster dining experience. So these are atrium. We're also the culinary capital of New York, home for more than 80 restaurants in one office.
Wow.
We're home by Mr. Anne. So we have Han Casino as our main product and neighboring hotels. So we have Swiss Hotel, Clark Marriott, and Vegas Hotel. So welcome to everyone, and I hope you bring us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Greeting! Mabuhay greeting! Mabuhay!
As mentioned, Swiss Hotel Clark and Swiss Hotel Clark is part of Han Casino Resort Complex, the culinary capital of Clark. And together with me is my team, MJ, RJ and TJ over there, headed by Miss Ali, our house director of Swiss Hotel. So I'm also the plus creator of one station, Swiss Hotel and Midas Hotel Clark. So welcome again to Mark, our European-inspired restaurant here at Swiss Hotel, one of the 10 restaurants inside the Swiss Hotel side, and there's 4 more at the Midas Hotel side. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll now turn over to you, to Johan Carrion from Han Resort Marketing.
Hi everyone, I'm Johan, the Digital Marketing Officer of Han Resorts. So as you may see, we're a full complex here. Han Resorts is home to the first 5-star hotel, Clark Marriott, and of course the first Swiss hotel in the Philippines, Swiss Hotel Clark. So we're home to 15 dining establishments. As mentioned by Sir Alex, we're actually the culinary capital of Clark. So I'm sure you'll have a whole lot of experiences here at Han Resorts. And of course, I would also like to mention that Han Resorts is currently developing Han Reserve, the Eco Luxury Resort at New Clark City. So you may look forward to a lot of exciting things from Han Resorts. Thank you po. Enjoy your lunch.
Next destination. Here. Hello, we're here. You're here. Ooh. Wow. Macchiato at Hair Cafe. Sarap. Refreshing. Sarap. Destination is spot on Pilipinas Factory here inside Clark Development, Clark Free Trade Zone. So, laki na signage ang Lakbay Pilipinas. And this is the home of Photon.
Yes.
Sakunin nyo kami sa inyong schedule.
Of course, sir. Thanks for having us.
So this afternoon, please allow me first to introduce naman FMPI. So I am June Maneze. Nakilala ko na po yung iba sa inyo. It feels good to see yung mga familiar. Clark Newport. We have been here since 2016. We've been allocated since 2016. And kagaya nga po nung sinabi ko, assembly plant, meaning may pinuproduce po o ina-assemble ng mga units po dito sa FMPI. We are not like yung ibang brands na import, distribute, and kami po ay gumagay po talaga ng production line dito. Nakasama doon sa tour natin mamaya. Sakto-sakto, alam ko puro kain at kape kayo, may konting activity naman tayo for you. And then, I mean, again, just additional bragging rights for us. The FMPI is an ISO certified po na company. So, we maintain mga standards that are, attuned to international standards. And consistent, because of our consistent, na pag-maintain itong mga systems na to, we in fact being recertified just this 2 months ago. So, models, no? And to tell you more about it, pasa ko po kayo kay Mo.
Hi, so good morning or good afternoon, Lakbay Pilipinas vloggers. So welcome to Photon More Philippines. So as mentioned by Sir Jun, so these are some of our current products na meron po dito sa Philippine market. So on our left, nandito po yung aming full lineup po ng mga electric vehicle. So we have the Tornado EV. So this is our light duty truck. Then we have our EM300 Harabas EV, our light commercial vehicle. Then we have the Thunder EV, the pickup electric vehicle. Then kasunod niya po is yung ating Transvan EV Cargo. So that one is a cargo van. And ito po yung recently na launch namin for the Philippine International Motor Show. This is the Traveler Sierra EV. So our 12-seater passenger van, which is electric vehicle. And by the way po, kanina, as I mentioned, Photon is the first ever commercial vehicle manufacturer that launched then yung first light-duty truck po na electric vehicle. So makapansin nyo, so si Photon is supported po doon sa RA11697 o yung pinatawag natin. So ito nga po, which mandates po yung ating mga corporations and even government offices na at least 5% po ng kanilang fleet is dapat po electric. So si Photon is full support po doon sa RA11697. Okay, so then on the other side po, nandito rin po yung Thunder, pickup po. So this one is a mid-size pickup, while this is the full-size pickup. Supports the Philippine government for the modern public utility vehicle, which is Photon is one of the brands which has the complete product lineup from class 1, class 2, class 3. So currently we have, as mentioned Sir June, we have the F29 modern CPU. So it's totally assembled dito sa Pilipinas under by Centro for Japan. Modern public utility vehicle lineup. So of course, these features po, yung mga required safety features po, yung ating mga public utility.
Section, importante ito. and there's Davao. So, for the formal introduction, Sir Mike, ayun po, pakayin.
Yeah, so welcome sa Motor Philippines warehouse. Like I said, this is the main warehouse. We have several hubs nationwide. There are 2 in Bismit, 1 in Davao, and another one in Cebu. There's another one in Manila, sa Valenzuela. Pero most of our parts are from importation dito to Diretso. So what else there is there to
In terms of number of parts and
okay, the area muna siguro. Itong area na to, it's a little over 4,200 square meters. Then the capacity, I don't know the full capacity, but currently we have about 62,000 SKU. Yun ang current inventory natin. Then the amount is last count namin inventory tally is 350,000. That is
top over here at Porch. Center Porch, a very nice old American design establishment.
Pag-i-reduce natin
Time for day 3 is Aling Lusing. They have a branch here in Clark, very near the museum. So we're going in. Lusing. Hello. Meron palang Aling Lusing dito. Oh. Purong talong. We have so much baboy. Ano talaga? Ang titig. Ito. Sir, hindi kumakain yan, pinipicture lang yan, ganyan. Ganyan, pinipicture lang nila, hindi nila kakainin yan. There, far and gray. Hello.
Fresh na kayo. Nakapag-fresh na.
Very different from yesterday.
Ready to drink.
Hello mga ka-senior, I'm back here at the hotel and I guess I have to end my third day of MPTC Lakbay Pinas. It has been a very hectic day again. We started very early with a very delicious breakfast here at Quest Hotel. Ang sarap ng kanilang mga offerings. I really enjoyed the special breakfast that they prepared. And then after that, we went to Gemic Sports Hub, wherein we were able to try many different sport activities. I was very happy to try archery for the first time. It's really I thought it was quite easy, but it requires precision. After that, I tried the ATV, also my first time, and I was able to go around all the Clark facilities. After that, we went to Han Resort and Casino and had a very special lunch at the Swiss restaurant called Market. We had roast beef and pizza and pasta and mashed potato. So delicious. And after that, we went to another facilities and had coffee, which is Here. Another thing that you must visit when you come to Clark. They have very good coffee and very good pastries. After that, another highlight of our visit here in Clark is to visit the factory of cotton, Pilipinas. I'm very happy to see that they continue to provide employment to many Filipinos by continuing assembly operation instead of importing CBU. We were able to see their facilities and how they assemble the trucks and other commercial vehicles. After that, we had coffee again at the Porch coffee shop near the parade ground. It's an old structure that has been converted into a coffee shop. Again, we had very good coffee and many other food offerings. And then we went back a little bit to Quest Hotel to rest, and then we had my favorite dinner place here in Angeles City, Pampanga, which is Aling Lusing. Of course, no Aling Lusing visit is complete without trying out their sisig and bulalo. And then finally, we had a nightcap here in Quest Hotel before we call it a night and went back to our rooms to rest. So that's it. It's been a very good day of traveling around Clark again. So thank you very much for joining me in this journey. So travel while you can. Until our next vlog. See you soon.